Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage Channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P1717 pertains to the transmission range switch ATP RVS switch, indicating that either an open or short circuit has been detected. This code specifically indicates an electrical issue and is not related to any mechanical problems within the transmission itself. The DTC suggests that there's a malfunction in the transmission range switch circuit that spans between the transmission range switch and the powertrain control module PCM. It is critical to recognize that diagnosing P1717 requires a systematic approach to identify the electrical anomaly that may be at play. The transmission range switch plays a vital role in relaying the position of the transmission, such as whether it is in park, reverse, or neutral, to the PCM, affecting vehicle performance and safety features. A thorough understanding of the vehicle's wiring, as well as the functionality of these components, is essential to effectively troubleshoot this error. The error description for DTC P1717 indicates a malfunction of the transmission range switch, specifically the ATP RVS switch. This switch is strategically located near the transmission and is critical for signaling the current position of the transmission to the powertrain control module PCM. Positioned at the junction where the gear selections are made, the transmission range switch ensures that the appropriate signal is relayed for smooth shifting operations. When there is an issue, such as an open or short circuit, the PCM cannot accurately interpret the gear position, which could lead to performance inconsistencies. Since this DTC is solely related to an electrical fault, mechanical issues within the transmission are not a contributing factor. This emphasizes the need for an in-depth diagnosis of the electrical connections, wiring, and the switch itself to pinpoint the exact cause of malfunction. Several potential causes can contribute to the triggering of DTC P1717. The first possible cause is poor electrical connections, which can prevent efficient transmission of data. Loose terminals between the transmission range switch and the PCM are often culprits in this scenario, leading to intermittent signals. Additionally, a faulty transmission range switch itself may fail to provide accurate readings, necessitating further inspection or replacement. Wiring issues, such as breaks or shorts, may also lead to this error code by disrupting the circuit. Lastly, if the PCM software is outdated, it may not properly interpret inputs from the transmission range switch, which could prompt the DTC. Understanding these causes is crucial for technicians to systematically eliminate possibilities during troubleshooting. The symptoms experienced with DTC P1717 can significantly affect the drivability of the vehicle. One major symptom is transmission shift issues, where the vehicle may struggle to shift between gears or may not shift at all. This can lead to an unstable or erratic driving experience. Additionally, drivers may notice a warning light illuminated on the dashboard, indicating a potential issue requiring immediate attention. Erratic gear engagement can occur due to incorrect signals being relayed from the transmission range switch, making it difficult to ascertain which gear the transmission is in. This not only diminishes the driving experience, but could potentially endanger safety as well. Overall, poor vehicle performance is a common complaint, with reduced responsiveness and possible stalling being consequences of this DTC. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1717 involves verifying the adjustment of the shift cable. It is crucial to ensure that the shift cable is configured properly, since an incorrect installation could lead to erroneous signals being sent to the PCM. After confirming the cable's adjustment, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on mode, which activates the electrical systems. Next, shift the transmission to the reverse R position. This action will allow the technician to test the system's parameters using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. At this stage, it's essential to check specific parameters like the ATR switch and reverse switch ATP RVS to see if they correspond to the expected values. If the current conditions match the threshold values in the HDS, it indicates that the system may still be operational, suggesting further investigation into possible loose connections or poor wiring may be necessary. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician should perform a test on the transmission range switch to ensure its functionality. This switch must be confirming the correct position of the transmission so that the PCM can react accordingly. If the test indicates that the transmission range switch is functioning correctly, you can move on to the next troubleshooting step. However, if the switch fails the test, it is essential to check for proper installation first, as misalignment or improper fitting can lead to irrelevant readings and malfunction. If the installation checks out and the switch is still not functioning correctly, it will need to be replaced. Pinpointing the exact fault in the transmission range switch at this juncture will significantly help in resolving the DTC. The third troubleshooting step involves checking for open wires within the ATP RVS line. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the off/lock mode to safely disconnect electrical components. Following this, the technician should disconnect the transmission range switch 10P connector to isolate the circuit for testing. Once disconnected, the vehicle should be turned to the on mode to prepare for a voltage measurement. It's vital to measure voltage between test points, the terminal number 10 on the transmission range switch connector, and body ground. If voltage readings are obtained, the ATP RVS wire is confirmed to be okay. However, if no voltage is detected, this indicates a problem with an open circuit, and repairs should be made to the wire running between the transmission range switch and the PCM for resolution. This step is crucial in ensuring that the wiring harness is intact and functionality is restored. After completing all the troubleshooting steps for DTC P1717, it is essential to conduct a final repair verification to ensure that the issue has been successfully addressed. Begin by clearing any DTCs from the system and taking the vehicle for a test drive. During this drive, the technician should monitor the vehicle closely for any reoccurrence of error codes. It's important to evaluate the system's performance for signs of smooth operation and responsiveness, ensuring the vehicle operates as intended. Furthermore, confirm that shifting gears functions correctly, without any hesitation or unexpected behavior. Successful completion of these tests is the definitive indicator that the repairs have resolved the original issue related to the transmission range switch. A thorough final verification solidifies that the vehicle is roadworthy once again. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding recurrence of DTC P1717 in the future. Regular inspections of electrical connectors can help identify potential issues before they escalate into major failure. Maintaining the integrity of wiring is also essential. Keeping the wiring harness clear of wear or damage will ensure continual, reliable performance. In addition, it is advisable to periodically check for the latest updates for the PCM software, as manufacturers often release updates to improve functionality and fix bugs that could contribute to error codes like P1717. Ensuring that the shift cable remains properly adjusted will also minimize risk factors contributing to transmission range switch issues. Lastly, conducting routine diagnostics as part of regular vehicle maintenance will aid in catching electrical issues early, promoting long-term reliability and safety. In conclusion, DTC P1717 primarily indicates an electrical problem with the transmission range switch, ATP RVS switch, pointing towards issues such as open or short circuits. The troubleshooting process necessitates a step-by-step verification of the transmission range switch, its connections, and the widget workings of the powertrain control module. The importance of this process cannot be understated, as accurately identifying and resolving the underlying faults can significantly impact vehicle performance and safety. Regular maintenance is highly advised to prevent similar issues from arising in the future. After any repair or replacement actions, thorough tests should be executed to confirm proper operational functionality of the vehicle. By adhering to these guidelines, technicians can ensure optimal performance and reliability of Honda HRV models affected by this specific DTC. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.